Welcome back, kidders, to Driving the Boat. I don't know if you can see me because I don't know how the camera's set up, and I think the video just ended. I don't know if this is working. Can you guys see me? Hi. Is it working? I don't know. I hope so. I'm using my phone. It keeps asking me to beam things. I don't know what that means. Can somebody in the comments please put what it means to beam? B-E-A-M? Watch out there, buddy. Oh, I hope that looked good. Can we shoot through polarized sunglasses? Oh wow, we can. That's nice. Off again. There we go. Hunter, watch out, you're right by us. Don't ask me to beam. You guys are done? Coming. Well, boys, sad news. They were all... Oh, that's a lot better of an angle. Alright. Coming by. Straight. Turning. Turning a wee bit, nice. You kids have fun? You kids have fun? Okay. Yeah. Why don't you give me your stuff?
Big old waves, boy.
Were they all short?
Every single one.
It's crazy.
It's a good sign, though. It's a good sign that there's lobster. We haven't seen a lobster in the last couple times. So there's definitely a good sign.
There were 3 of them.
What happened there, Mastercaster? Did you catch anything?
Oh, thanks.
Are you okay? Get in.
I'm trying to, I got fins out. Pretty good.
So, Mastercaster, interview time. What exactly happened down there?
There was like 10 shorts on one spot.
Anything worth catching at all?
No.
Were there any fish?
No.
Wow.
Interesting, right?
And that's it, your post-boat interview with Mastercaster.